Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's how to do the Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch in 2025 step by step. First, turn on airplane mode here and disable Wi-Fi so you're truly offline. Now open the game and start rolling the dice. If you are lucky, great, you're done. But if your rolls aren't lucky, like landing on Texas or jail, here's what to do. While still in airplane mode, uninstall the app and then reinstall it by going into App Store. This one here. After installing, turn off airplane mode and reconnect to the internet. Now log in back into your account. If done right, your dice count should be restored to before the bad rolls. This works because the game didn't sync your offline rolls with the server. I hope this helps. Drop a like and subscribe, and good luck on your next big Monopoly move. Thank you.